I'm Alma from Sew Over It. I hope you're all having a great day. I'm here today to talk to you about 5 of our favourite patterns for sewing beginners. And we're going to start with number 1. The ultimate shift dress, which is what I'm wearing today. And this is an incredibly versatile pattern. It comes with very many different options. You can make it with sleeves of different lengths. You can make it sleeveless, like the one I'm wearing. You can make it into a top. So imagine this is a little crop top or a long sleeved top. It's incredibly versatile. It works with many different types of fabrics. You can start making one in a cotton lawn, which is really easy to sew with. Then you can move on and make a more elaborate one with a viscose or something a little bit floatier. It's a pattern that you will love as a beginner and you will continue loving as a more experienced sewer. The ultimate shift dress is available in our full size range of sizes UK 6 to 30. And once you've mastered the main pattern, we also have an add-on with even more variations, so you can make hundreds of different dresses. Number 2, the Bilberry t-shirt. This is a great pattern for jersey beginners. So if you want to start making some extremely comfy clothes, you can try out the Bilberry t-shirt sewing pattern to make a very basic, perfect, everyday, want one in every color kind of t-shirt. It's aimed at absolute beginners and we will talk you through every single step, so you don't have to be afraid of sewing with jersey. Once you've mastered it, you will absolutely love it and you'll make loads and loads of comfy clothes, and the Bilberry t-shirt is a great place to start. It's available in sizes UK 8 to 20 and it comes together really quickly, really easily. If you're a more experienced sewer, you will literally make this in a couple of hours. Number 3. The full circle skirt. It is a great one if you like a little bit of a vintage silhouette. It's cinched in at the waist and then it goes out and out and out. It's a really easy pattern to make, but the result is always impressive and it looks very dressy, it looks very professional. It's a great first skirt. The full circle skirt is available in sizes UK 6 to 30. It's aimed at absolute beginners and it's a great first sewing project. The full circle skirt works really well in cotton, so it's a great one for beginners. You don't have to deal with any shifty fabrics. Cotton is nice and steady, and by the end of it you will have a beautiful and impressive skirt that twirls like a dream. It's a great one for satisfaction compared to the amount of work that goes into it. Highly recommend. Number 4, the ultimate trousers. These are a pair of classic trousers. It's a great first pattern if you want to make your first pair of trousers. We recommend using something like a stretch cotton, so a woven fabric that has a little bit of give to make the fitting that little bit easier. There's very few pattern pieces. It's very simple, but it's a classic silhouette. It's got a touch of vintage if you wanted to, and it comes together really quickly, especially once you've made your first toile and you've nailed the fit. You'll be making lots of these really quickly. The ultimate trousers are available in sizes UK 6 to 20. Number 5, the Ava skirt. This is a great little skirt pattern. It's very easy to make. We talk you through every single step. It's a great one for beginners again. We show you 3 ways of inserting the zip that sits at the back to close the skirt. If you've never inserted a zip, this is a great pattern to learn zips with. Ava is available in sizes UK 6 to 30. It doesn't take long to make. If you've sewn a cushion cover, for example, and you want to move into dressmaking, this is a great pattern to begin with. It looks really cute as a mini skirt, but you can make it as a longer skirt as well, so you've got different options there. It's another pattern that looks amazing in a variety of different fabrics. So you can start with a nice sturdy cotton. You could try a corduroy. That's a great autumn and winter look. You could try denim. I've made it in an upholstery velvet. I mean, there's pretty much no fabric that this little skirt doesn't work in. You just want something that has a little bit of stability. So cotton, canvas, denim, corduroy, all of those will work. I hope you've enjoyed our selection of beginner-friendly patterns from Sew Over It, and we really hope you'll be making some of these. Bye!